Welcome back, class, to today's class on our digital math tutor classroom. You can see in our today's topic, we'll be looking at an exercise on the major topic of mensuration. In mathematics, there are a lot of topics that come under this. In fact, we have mensuration 1 and 2. And these are a typical SS1 students' mathematics. Mathematics for those in the SS Senior Secondary School 1. So I'm going to be looking at something here today. Our subtopic will be on area of a sector of a circle. How do you find area of a sector of a circle? You need to know the formula, and then we're going to have a kind of example so as to guide the students. Remember why we prepare these video maths tutorials. It helps children to learn faster. There are kids in the classroom where the teachers are rushing to beat up with the schemes, they can't catch up. But by the time they go back home and watch this over and over again, they master all of this. It helps your children to learn maths quick. So we're going to look at this. So that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So the first thing a child should know when it comes to finding the area of a sector of a circle. Remember, I'm going to draw something. I'm going to show you what we mean by sector. Sector there means a part of a circle. Ordinarily, the area of finding the area of a circle is pi r square. Very simple. Pi r square. That's what we are taught. That's how to find the area of a circle. But now you're talking about a segment, a sector of that circle. So finding the area, this is the formula to find the area of a sector of a circle. Theta over 360. Theta here means the degree of the given angle. If you have a circle, I'm going to draw that, you're going to see it. If you have a circle, that sector, what particular angle is in that sector? It could be 90 degrees, it could be 60, it could be 30, it could be 45, it could be 1, it could be anything. As long as it's less than 360, which is the degrees of a circle. So that particular number of degrees is what is represented here as theta. That is that over 360. Because why is it over 360? This is a part of a circle. Because remember, circle is 360 degrees. So a part of it, a fraction of it, then times your normal pi r square. And that is what the formula here is all about. Now let's quickly look at this. Before we go on, please remember, this is the the digital math tutor, please. This is a digital math tutor. I nearly confused it because with one of our channels. Here we'll teach maths. This math course across those in primary school, secondary, junior secondary, senior secondary, and also adult learners, and also with those kids preparing for external examination. It could be common entrance, junior WAEC, or whatever. We'll prepare mathematics, classes. Sometimes it's all about solving questions, past question papers, and all that. That's what we'll do in this channel. So all you need to do, if you are watching this video from any other place aside our channel in YouTube, then please look at this, our YouTube handle. Please search for it and go for it. Our YouTube handle is Digital Math Tutor 5717. Please do well to make sure you visit this handle and subscribe to our channel. Please, very important, because you'll be having updates on all of this. Remember, these are free resources. Your kids can visit and learn, relax and learn. You say, my kids are finding it difficult to learn mathematics. They're always carrying their phones. They're always playing with games. No, let that game be math game. Let them watch this. When they are watching these videos, they're enjoying it. For the fact they are having their phones, they are listening to videos, they're watching a video, and invariably, once the interest is there, the kids are learning. Now, let's quickly now move on to this. Now, I'm going to show you an example of, look at the question. It says, find the area of a sector of a circle with angle 90 degrees and radius 7 cm. Use pi as 22 over 7. Remember, you can as well be 3.142 all about. So if you are looking for your answer in a decimal, you use 3.142. In any case, use the one in fraction, that is 22 over 7. Now, finding the area of a sector of a circle with this angle, what are we expected to have here? Let me show you what this is like all about. Look at that circle. Let me draw a circle here now. It may not be exactly what you want to see. Remember, I'm using my hand to draw it. Assuming this is a circle, and this is the, let's say, the center, here. I want to show you what a sector of a circle is. Already, as you see this line, the line that draws from the center of a circle to any point on the circumference is called a radius. So you can see radius, so many of them, you can see so many of them, you can see so many of them. Eventually, it is a radius joining from that center of the circle to any part of the circumference that brings about what we mean by a sector. Now, what is a sector? You look at the whole of this circle. It's 360 degrees. But here, the whole of this, that is, if I bring it out now, something like this, this is what we call a sector of a circle. That's a part of a circle. So you can see that there's an angle here now, because that's here. It's not 360. The same thing, this is a sector of a circle, sector, sector. You can even be much more little than this. Are you getting it? It can be anything. That's why a sector of a sector can be 15 degrees, can be 10 degrees, can even be 5. Do you understand that? So this sector of a circle is what we are looking for. And in this case, the system says this radius is 7 cm. That's the length of that radius line, the radius. Now, why the angle here in this sector of a circle is 90 degrees. So it's a kind of a right angle triangle. It's like dividing the entire circle into 4, one part of it. That's what made up this. Do you understand? So in that case, this is exactly. Why am I taking time to draw this? Because sometimes for school children, there are sometimes the question will not be given the way it was given here, as telling you the radius is 7 and all that. So they may just draw something like this. So from the figure below, from the figure above, find out the area of the sector of the circle. And that figure, they just draw something like this, put 90 degrees here, and put 7 along one of the lines of radius. And once you see that, that's exactly the same thing as what I've just said. You understand? So a school child will be able to understand that questions can come by just mere figures and also a kind of a word problem. So in any case, they are saying the same thing. That's why I had to do this. Very important. Now, let's quickly see how it goes. Now, remember that our formula for finding area of a sector of a circle is theta over 360 then times pi r square. Do you understand now? It's okay. So what are we going to do? That theta here now is 90 degrees over 360 times pi is 22 over 7 times r square. Remember the r there is radius, that's 7. We are told they gave us 7. So it's like saying 7 times 7. So that's r square, r times r, please. This is 7 times 7, all over 1. That is it. We have set it. Please, children, whoever you're watching this video, not pay attention. That's how we do it. I'm already set this. So I can start doing something here. This 7 can go here, cancel off this one. Well, at least we know at this level we know these ones. Now, this 0 can cancel this 0. The next thing is that 9 go here. 9 is a common factor of 9 and 36. 9 go in each step 1, go in 36 4. You see the thing is reducing now. Now, I have this 4. Now, 2 can go here and 4. I have to go here 11. Are you following? Yes. Now, what I have up here, 11 and 7, which is going to give me 77 all over 2. So I'm going to be having finally 77 all over 2. Do you understand? I'm having 77 all over 2 now. By the time I divide this, it's going to become a fraction. I mean a decimal or a fraction in any case. because 2 go by 7 will give me 33. Remember 1, if you add it in front here, it becomes 17. 2 go by 17, you can go by 16 to give me 88. Remainder 1, that one is 1 over 2, or you call it 0.5. So because when you say R0, it becomes 10, 2 go by that will give you this. So either you say 38.5 cm or 38.5 cm. Remember, for school children at this level, if you are in SS1, supposed to have already known how to convert, decimal to fraction or fraction to decimal. So when you have something like 1 over 2, automatically every school child at this level should know that it simply means 0.5. So if I say 38.5, which is 1 over 2, something I'm saying 38.5. If I say 38.5, something I'm saying 38.5. So depending on how the examiner wants you to place it, if it's an objective question and you see that the answers selected are in decimal, then you make sure you convert it to decimal. If the answers are placed in fractions, make sure you do same thing. But they are all the same. If there's no sorting requirement, maybe it's a theory question, you can write anything. No examiner will mark you down. Either you put it as 38.5 cm or 38.5 cm. Now, because we are dealing with area, this is another thing the students should know. Once you've got your answer here, now your answer is 38.5 cm. Let's put it clear. Because it's area, you must put square here. 38.5 cm square. That's what we'll do. Because areas are squares. You understand? So whenever you get an answer in mathematics and it has to do with area, find the area of whatever, let your final answer be at this square. So that question, we're asked to find the area of the sector of a circle whose angle is 90 degrees and that circle has 7 cm radius. The answer, the area of that sector is 38.5 cm square. I take time to go through this. So as a child, please go through this. You're going to understand it. Give yourself additional example and all that. So the next thing we do here, I will, ask you, use this same, thing I've just done now and help yourself. Number 1, find the same area of a sector of a circle. Just try it yourself. If you can try it and drop the answer on the comment box of this video, that would be fantastic. In the course of time, we'll start, giving some present or gifts to, students who are trying all of this. It's very important. Then, but if you do it on your own, just to help you, just try. Find the area of the sector of a circle with, angle 60 degrees and the radius 14 meters. Number 2, the one of 45 degrees and then 7 meters. Now, don't be confused. Whatever quantity you are giving the mass, and the other time, with the one I did, I said cm. So when I find my answer, I say it's 38.5 cm square. So you are giving a meter, it's not your concern. That doesn't matter. So when you get your answer, it will be in meters. So if your answer is 50, it's going to be 50 meters square. That's it. So try this too and help yourself. So this way I'm going to stop. Remember this class, this particular channel will prepare videos for children in the primary, junior secondary, senior secondary, adult learners, as well as those preparing for external examination. We also, have home classes. For those who are staying around in Port Harcourt, we can have one-on-one classes for your children in mathematics. So please engage us. Let's work together. And if you are new to this channel, please do well subscribe. Help us to grow together. Because when you subscribe, when you like this video, you are helping to showcase to others, because YouTube is going to help showcase to others. And while we grow together, it helps to encourage us to prepare more of this. Children of today, they need this. Technology has taken over. A lot of kids find it difficult to learn on, going to the classes to learn because they are not finding interest in it. But when videos are involved, it helps them to learn because they find interest. So encourage your children to be part of this. Subscribe so that you always get our updates on this. Very important. I wish you the best as I stop here now. God bless you.